Yes, till yesterday discussion, till second problem is over, right? Now we'll start third one. The third one is find the five rational numbers. You need to remember the five rational numbers, the smaller than the five. So if they mention at least five, you can more than five, you can write your own. Less than five means you can start first number, you can take the rational number, it is 5 by 6. Less than five means you can write 4 by 6. Am I clear? It's 4 by 6. Then after 3 by 6, then after 2 by 6, then after 1 by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still you wanted to go negatives also you can go minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6, still up to going on there. How many rational number possible that many you can write down. But the requirement is only 5. Still this you can stop the process. Okay. This is clear now. Okay. Right. Now let us copy the answer now. The fourth one is done now. Now switch on to that fourth one now. The fourth one is find the 12 rational numbers between minus 1 and 2. So first of all, you can take the numbers now, minus 1 and 2. Between the minus 1 by 1, minus 2 by 1. So what is the possibility minus 1 after 0, 1? 0 by 1, 1 by 1. Only two numbers is possible. But they want 12 natural numbers means what I have to do, I'll apply the one methodology. Please try to understand how I was doing. Let us take the question now. Minus 1 by 1 it is there. You can write here 2 is there, 2 by 1. You can multiply with 10 on both sides, numerator, denominator, both sides, into 10 by 10, into 10 by 10. Minus 10 to 10. After that, can I write minus 9 by 10, minus 8 by 10, minus 7 by 10, up to so on. If you write 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, up to so on, 19 by 10, you can write down. Okay. In between, we have n number of things, n number of values, out of which you require if you require only 12 numbers, right? You can take 12 numbers. So I wrote many numbers in between. You can take like this. This is one of the easiest procedure. Am I clear?
Clear.
First of all, how you know, sir, this is the thing means. I'll tell you one more logic also to understand more and more clearly. What you has to do means first of all, how you know, sir, the 10 it is right. First you write minus 1 by 1 and a 2 by 1. Whenever you're writing it is denominator must be same. So first you multiply with 2, both sides 2. Okay. Then what is this here? Minus 1 by 2 and 4 by 2. So what is the possibility here? Minus 1 after 0 by 2, 1 by
0
2,
by 2.
3 by 2.
1 by 2.
Only three
3
numbers
by
you
2.
got. Only three numbers you got. So 2 is not sufficient.
2 by 2 and 3 by
2 is not sufficient. 2 by 2, 3 by 2. So for this, what you have to do? Again, you
2.
can multiply one more 2. Okay. Or else you remove this one, you
Okay.
remove this 2, you can multiply 3 now. 2 right? You remove multiply with 2. It means what you're going to happening is here minus 3 by 3, 6 by 3. Okay. Now what you're going to get minus 2 by 3, minus 1 by 3, 0 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3,
1 by 3,
3 by
2
3,
by 3,
3 by 3,
4
4
by
by 3.
3.
1, 2,
4
3,
by
4, 5, 6, 7 only you got. 7 you got.
3.
But you want 12 right? Now 3 is not sufficient. Now multiply
Yes.
it again, you can take 4. And a minus 4 by 4 and 4 means 8 by 4 will come. Minus 4 by means in between you start writing your numbers. Minus 3 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 1 by 4, 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4. So now you can counting it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 only you got. Okay. But 4 is not sufficient. You can multiply
Okay.
with 5 now. Okay.
Huh.
If you want, because you want 12 right, so you can take now 5. What you can take? Take a number now. Minus 1 by 5. Now 5 to 10, right? 10 by 5. Now you
Yeah.
start writing it is here. The numbers we may get it out now. Minus 1 by 5, right? 0 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 6 by 5,
4
7 by
by
5.
5, 6 by
Please stop. It is multiply with 5 by 5 by 5,
8 by
right?
5.
Minus, but let's wait. You multiply the numerator and denominator, right? With 5. Minus 5 by 5. This is wrong thing you are writing. It is minus 5 by 5 writes after writing it is.
Okay.
So next what? Minus 4 by 5, minus 3 by 5, minus 2 by
3 by
5.
5.
Keep on you writing. And after that I'll write end of the number. 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5. In between many numbers you got. More than 12 you got. You can take these answers. Clear? Huh?
Clear.
First, what are the number you multiply? The denominator must be same. First the thing. So for this question is clear. Clear now? How I did of starting to here?
Yeah. Yeah.
After this question is finished. Similarly, you start with this also. So I'm start working with 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. 2 by 3, 3 by 4. First denominators are not same. First of all, denominators are same. You can do it out. Denominators are not same. First, what I have to do? This is a 3 number, right? For this, you multiply this side. This is a 4, right? You multiply this side 4. Automatically denominators are same first. 2 4 ja 8, 3 2 ja 12. First 3 3 ja 9. Then after
9. 9 by 12.
9 by 2. Now denominators are same. But if you start writing 8 after what you get, only 9 you get. 9 by 12 you'll get. But only one number you got. But what are the number they want? Find rational numbers between the find the rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Write the rational number with the equal denominator. Okay, you got one number you write. If you want more numbers, a simple logic what I told you, you multiply the number start. You can multiply the numbers. What you can do? I am ready to multiply with 2 and 2. I multiply with 2. 2. What are you going to get now? 8 to just 16 by 24. Next 18 by 24. What you got? 16, 17 only got. But still I'm not sufficient. Only one number I got. If you want more numbers means again I'll go multiply with one more 2. 2. 2. What are you going to get now? 16 to ja 32. 32 by 48. Here 36 by 48. Here you got more numbers now. What are the numbers you got? 33 by 48, 34 by 48, 35 by 48. Clear? Huh? 3 numbers you got. Previously you got one number. Now you got 3 numbers. Clear now? If still if you want more numbers, you can go extension. Now you can go for extension. Still you got more number means again you can multiply with one more 2 number. One more 2. You get an answer now. How can you multiply now? Now you got 32 by 48. Here it is 36 by 48. Now multiply with again one more multiply with 2.
Okay.
32 2 is 64. 64 by 16, right? 96. This is 72 by 96. Now we got many numbers. 65 by 96, 67 by 96, 68 by 96, 69 by 96, 70 by 96, 71 by 96. How many you got? Now you got 6 numbers you got in between. Previously we got one number. Now after you want 3 I create, 6 I create. If one more means one more 2 multiply. Okay, here I multiply with 2, 2. Not only for 2, you can multiply whatever number you multiply with. 2 after 3 you multiply, 4 you multiply. Incremental of that you'll get more number you can generate. Okay, this is the way the between the two numbers, rational numbers, if denominators are not same, first you equate the denominators by cross multiplying of denominators. Then after that you can continue that. Clear?
Okay. Clear.
So that work is clear now. Copy the answers over. Yeah.
Copy.
Okay. Next we'll go for this 6th question now. 6th question is same thing, minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Find the rational 10 rational number they mentioned 10. It's okay. The specific mention means you should do that 10 numbers. Here, first of all, the denominators are not same. First of all, denominators are not same.
Not same.
So this denominator is 4. You multiply with 4 this side. First duty that one. Then after this 6 is you multiply this 6. Now denominator must be same. 3 6 are 18. 18 by
18
by 24. 20 by 24. In between, what are the numbers possible? 18 after 19. It is minus 18, right? Deepu. Now I'll write here simple. Minus 18 by 24. Here it is plus 20 by 24.
24.
Okay. Now you write how many
Okay.
numbers you want, that many you get. After minus 18, minus 17,
Mm.
minus 16, minus 15. Keep on you 0. Then after 1 by 24, 2 by 24, 3 by 24, you got how many numbers you want, that many numbers you can generate.
Mm.
Okay, na? In between
Okay.
more than 10 will come. You can take the requirement of the values, you can take it out. I think it's clear or any doubt?
Clear.
Clear? Huh?